Hey everyone, most welcome to our YouTube channel English Hub by Lakshmi. Today I would like to share, an important topic. What is the importance of language? An admiring person is there, Mr. Ashutosh Trivedi from UP. Then we are going to discuss about share, an important topic. What is the importance of language? An admiring person is there, Mr. Ashutosh Trivedi from UP. Then we are going to discuss about that and what is the importance of language. Yeah, please, Ashutosh, please introduce about yourself first. Then after, I will introduce about myself.
Yes, thank you. Firstly, I would like to pay thanks to you for, inviting me today here on your YouTube channel. So thank you. And firstly, if you are want to know about my introduction, my name is Ashutosh Dwivedi, and I'm from northern part of our country, Uttar Pradesh. And about like my qualifications, right now I'm a student of BCom second year, and I'm practicing this language from last 1 year. It's all about me. Thank you.
Okay, yeah, for me, my name is Lakshmi. I'm from AP, Andhra Pradesh. I'm basically professionally, I'm a teacher. Yeah, right now that is for me. Yeah, please, Ashu, what is the importance of language?
Yes. Well, I think I would start, if you want to know about the language is everything. Without having the language, we can't share anything for feeling, sharing our feelings, emotions. Everything is language. Whenever just we are taking birth from our first day, there's a need of language. And because in the beginning, when a child is taking birth, I think, it's really tough to express like that by that child. He is not able to express, so that's why by just listening to the parents, by listening to family members, he's trying to share his emotions and feelings all about. So you can understand the value of language from the first day of our life. That is
Yeah,
really valuable. Whenever I think he is crying, we are just trying to give our level best, but we don't know why he is crying, right? He is
yeah,
crying, so we are giving like sometimes milk. We are saying that he's sometimes he's suffering from toilet and some kind of problems, but we are not sure about it because he can't say. So now from there you can understand the value of this language and whole life. I think it is really important, and we can speak within 3 years, but what to speak, it is really difficult. For
yeah.
that we are taking the help of the communication skills to speak better and speak right things at right place, because it matters a lot. I have seen a lot more people in our society, they haven't idea, like whenever anybody is talking about anything else, and they are just talking about anything else, like I'm talking about politics, and they will come and they will talk about cricket. So this is the, I guess, is it misconception. Whenever the person they are talking about the, I think, any topic, we have to listen them. If we have interest, we can put our views. If we haven't any interest, we can just leave that place. But the few people, they are just imposing their thoughts on the same topics and with the different things, like, so it is not a right way. We have to wait for a, so this is a, I think, for that language is really important. And without having the language, we can't do the discussion, we can't talk to the people, we can't share whatever we want. So that is really important in my opinion. So I'm also working over it because I want to learn. English is an international language as well, I think, but basically, but I'm native speaker of Hindi, so I am speaking Hindi from childhood. But now I started speaking English because English is giving us a big exposure to express ourselves in our, all over the world. So I think this is really important in my opinion. So thank you. I think it's my view about it.
Yeah, for me, like I also observed a lot of people, they have no idea how to talk and how to frame a sentences. And that, if like some people have 98%, 99.5% more than that, but they don't know how to speak. Because of that, they failure. They didn't get that no success in their life. But some people, they have their language, like English, they have their well, no communication skills, where good communication skills, but they have like less marks. Then for that people, they will not get the marks. Sorry, they will not get the jobs because of that less marks. That is the reason, like English, like language is or like plays a vital role in our, like in nowadays. It plays vital role, particularly, like nowadays people are like like very well known about that English language. Why? Because of all are like totally concentrated on that language. Why? Because of without language, without English communication skills, no one is not ready to give the jobs. That is the reason, like almost all companies are like no hiring most, or like whoever has no important skills like communication skills. They are hiring that people. Because of that, English communication skills are very, very important nowadays generation. Okay, yeah. Then how many months it will take time to become a good speaker? How many months it will take time to becoming a fluent speaker?
Yeah, the first thing I would like to say the meaning of the fluent. It differs to the person to person, but in my opinion, fluent it comes from the word fluid, like water. You have seen the water is flowing like
Yeah,
this. Okay.
yeah,
So whatever the water, flowing in the pace, we have to care about. It means fluency. Whenever just we are speaking, the word should be flow like a water. There should be
yeah.
not an interruption. Like sometimes a o
Agree.
a like that. These are the pillars, and
Yeah.
these are I think interruption in our speaking, and we can't say to that person and they are speaker they are speaking fluently. So, but in my case, the few people I can say that I have seen, they are thinking if they will speak English like a super fast train, like 140 kilometers per hour, so they are gonna be fluent. But it is a misconception. We have to understand the reality of that. If we are getting the, I think we are getting the words from our mouth like the flow of water, it means we are fluent. And now, if you are asking this question about the time and month, I'm giving an example to you. There are two guys. The one guy, he is speaking 1 hour in a week. Okay, it means 4 hours in a month. Okay, and there is a one guy who's speaking 2 hours per day, and he's speaking 60 hours a month. So what do you think like that? Who's gonna be they both persons they are practicing from the 1 month only, but who's gonna be fluent first? The person who's practicing more. So it is all about the efforts. It is all about the putting hours towards this language. If you are speaking like 10 hours in a day, you can be fluent in 3 or 4 months only. But yeah,
Yeah.
the few people they are thinking like that 15 minutes in enough for them. I think so they will take year to become fluent. So there is a no perfect time. It depends on your efforts to become a fluent speaker. Yes, thank
Yeah,
you.
here, practice matters. Only practice, practice makes perfect. Like that, practice matters. Like what you said, that is exact right thing. Practice, if you practice, like no, if you spend more time, like your valuable time more, like any day, I think 3 or more than 5, or like 3 or 5 hours, maybe you will become a fluent speaker, like a great speaker. So depend upon the practice, depend upon the interest and capability. It's like obviously, no, we will get like that more communication in my for my sake, like in the my in the like point of mine, just however we will just speak in native language or in our mother tongue, same like that, English fluency also will come. I like a practical observer, like I observe a lot of people, how they will speak in their mother tongue, in their native language. No, same like that, native language, same like that, we will speak in English language also, same in that manner. Are you agree with me?
Yes, of course, I'm totally agree with you.
Okay, great. Like how we remember that, like just that words and some vocab or phrases, how we will remember in our day-to-day conversation. Just we want to we will just we know that words, some vocab phrases, then how we will remember in our conversation.
Yes, I can say that it is the most frequent, I think, asked question. Whenever the people they want to work over any language, they are really worrying and they are thinking like that why they are not getting perfect word whenever they want. What do you think? Sometimes even we are not getting the perfect word in our native language like Telugu and Hindi, and we are speaking from 20. I'm speaking from 20 years, and you are speaking more than 30 years, right? After that, also sometimes we are thinking, oh, what is the perfect word and what should I use, right? So in English, how we can expect that? I think if we are learning this language from 1 or 2 years only, I think how we will get the perfect word at the perfect time, right? So we have to take the help of elaboration, right? The first point. And the second thing, if we want to learn some vocabulary, so the first thing I listened, that is the traditional method. We have to just read something and we have to get few words, and after that we
Yeah,
have to mention in our notebook, and pocket diary also we can use. And whenever we
exactly.
are just getting free time on the public places like bus stand, railway station, at that time we can revise that word. So that will help me a lot to keep that in permanent memory. And the third thing after that, new thing right now. So in my case, I'm not doing something special. I became fatter from there, like whatever I was doing. So now I'm just talking to the people a lot. So whenever they are using any kind of new word, so I think at the same point of time, I'm asking to them, or if I'm not asking, I'm just checking that word on Google. What is the meaning of that? And after
Um,
that, when I'm checking that, this is, I think, printing in my mind. So that is helping me a lot to understand the vocabs. And the second thing, if you want to use, so sometimes it is there's a need of situation. Without having the situation, you can't use that word, whatever you learned today. So
yeah,
you can try your level best to get that situation. You can just, I can say that, mold that conversation in that, I think, situation where you have to use that word. So after that, when you will use again and again, you will be habitual. And the third thing, you can ask to another person, like you are interested in like vocab. So I learned, I think, two or three really, I think, a stupendous vocab today. So I want to
great.
discuss with you. If he is giving permission to you, you can discuss with him. It will also help you a lot to, I think, just make that words permanent in your memory. Yes, it's my view. Thank you.
Yeah, exactly, exactly. Like no, discussing with our friends, like no, we will remember very easily. No,
Hmm.
discuss with our friends, and we have to use that vocab in day to day our conversation. Then only we can remember that words. Otherwise, learning new words, but it's not like no difficult to remember that things. It's not possible. No, it's
Hmm.
a thing. That is the reason. Like day to day in conversation, like while conversation, we have to use that vocab or phrases, idioms, whatever we are using, that we will remember very easily.
Hmm. Yes,
Yeah,
exactly. Because this is the law of nature. When we
yeah,
will not use, I think, anything, it's gonna be vanished. Because when the we weren't like that, we were like a monkey at that time. We were using like our tail. Okay,
yeah,
but what
exactly.
happened when we started? I think like that. We were not using our tail. After the tail vanished, and now we humans have. I think we haven't. I think that tail. So the same thing is happening with every kind of things. Well, you will not use that kind of things, it's gonna be vanished. Yes.
Yeah, exactly, exactly. We have to use in our day-to-day conversation. Only the thing is that one. Yeah, like yeah, this is our today's conversation. Okay, and many thanks for your be a part of in our YouTube channel, YouTube video. Thank you so much, Ashutosh Trivedi. Okay, then let's catch up with no very soon with another new video. Okay, and please, guys, and practice more. Then practice makes perfect. Don't afraid and don't hesitate with no while talking with conversation with others. Okay, have a great day to all. Thank you for like no Ashutosh Trivedi. Thank you. Yeah, bye. Take care.